All right, so here we are up a little bit here. Well, it's even, but got the wrong option this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and step out of it and get the right option on SPY. Okay, so let me go ahead and step out of this and get the right option on SPY. Right now it's up 2,000. We're going to hit the close. And let's do a stop on it. See, it's going down. Now it's taking a loss. It took me a while for this video to come up, the recording to come up. I didn't want to get out of it when it was up here. I was trying to record the trade, so I kind of waited a while. Anyway, let's just go ahead and put the stop in. This is the stop, yeah. Okay, so I have the stop in here. And hopefully we get a move up here. There it is. Now we got to move up. Let's go to the positions. Up 2,000, 1,500, 2,000. And now we're up 5,000. I moved the stop up to 111. We got it at 104. Stopped out. Okay, with a 2,000 on that one. Okay, I feel like I feel like I had the wrong option on the SPY. Even though it did make money, either I had the wrong option or I got in at the wrong time. Now over here on Tesla, I do believe I'm getting in at the right option. With the right option. Again, wrong time though. Because I came in late. I was busy this morning and it took a while for everything to come up because of my computer being slow. Took a while for the charts to come up and for the recording to come up. So I wasn't able to jump in. So I'm jumping into it late, just trying to get some trades in today. Trying to get some content in, rather, I should say. Getting not at the bottom Bollinger where I'm supposed to be getting it, but I want to make some trades so I can get some content made today. So let's see what happens here on Tesla. I believe Tesla to be moving up today. Same thing with SPY. SPY still got some up movement. As a matter of fact, let's change Let's go to the option. Let's go to a call option on SPY. And let's see. Yeah, let's go to a call option on SPY. Not today, but tomorrow's expiration. Let's go with the 150. I like to do even numbers when I can. Look at Bollinger. It was just at the bottom Bollinger right here. Kind of missed it. So let's get it at the middle Bollinger. We're not going to get too much. Let's do 20 contracts. It's just $3,000. We're just to get into a position. There we go. Okay, so we're in position with both SPY with 20 contracts and with Tesla 20 contracts. I'll add to it at the bottom Bollinger. Let's see if it should creep down to the bottom Bollinger on the options chart. We can take almost 11,000, grab 80 more contracts. That'll put us at 100 contracts, which is good for me. And that's on SPY right there. And then my Tesla call here is moving on up. I just got the 20. See, I was hoping that Tesla would come back down here, but it's not moving down that way. So Tesla is up 800. Go ahead and put a stop in on that one. Just in case it does fold back. And come down to my 80 buy-in position. My 80 contract buy-in position down here. I got it at 370. I got an 80 buy-in position at 238. So let's look at Tesla, do a close on Tesla, do a stop. Not at the 371, but let's put it at 3. Oh no, I got it at 370. Looks like it's pulling back now. Let's put it at 375. Nope, I can't do that. The chart is a little bit slower than the actual numbers. So if it's going to pull back, hopefully it'll pull back down here. And I can go ahead and get in it with 80 more contracts. Oh, my SPY is down. Oh, I missed it. Hold up. And bottom Bollinger is headed down. Plus the middle Bollinger has changed directions as well. Oh, we're getting close to the top Bollinger up here. I think that's the problem. Okay, so we're up on the SPY here. On the SPY position, up 1,900. Let's go ahead and put a close in for that one. 138. Put a stop in on that one. Up 800, 700. Stopping out on that one. I think long term, maybe I should be in the SPY with a put because it's up close to the top Bollinger right now. We're still in that good golden window there. Tesla did not pull down below the middle Bollinger here. The middle Bollinger is still pointed up. You only got 20 on that one. So far, today's profit is 3,500. The daily on SPY though looks good for the up movement. I think that's why I went to a call in the first place. Because we still have movement up to the top Bollinger. Although the top Bollinger has got a downward slant, the middle Bollinger's got a downward slant, and then the bottom Bollinger is on the catch up. It's in catch up mode. I feel like we still have movement upwards. Overall. But I've made money in SPY already, so we'll just let that one rest. And let's go to Tesla over here. Tesla looks like it's getting kind of exhausted up here at the top Bollinger, so I'm going to go ahead and put a stop in on that one. We up 1,000 on that one as well. So let's go ahead and put a stop in for that one. $4.01. I'm in it at 370. See, it's getting exhausted at the top Bollinger on the options chart as well. It just stopped out. I don't know how much I made on that one, but we were up 35. Now we're up 4,000 for the day. I think that's good enough for the day, especially when I wasn't able to get in it at the very beginning. I got in it late, still made some money. That's a good enough day. Good trading.